Stop wasting your time doing things that don't matter. Stop, because sometimes we waste a lot of time doing things that don't really make sense and we don't know that we are wasting time, yet we are wasting time. So let me tell you of a scenario. 6 months ago, I sat down in a bid to find myself and find things that interest me and things I'm passionate about and things that I would love to do. And when I was breaking these things down, I realized I loved so much reading marketing. I loved understanding marketing better. I loved sharing content about marketing. So I created an account somewhere where I was discussing that matter. I would discuss marketing, lifestyle, and other things. But then, since I also run a party rental business, I also created an account for my party rental business and an account for my shoe cleaning brand. And I was spending time recording content for different kind of brands. I'm doing this for myself. Today, after a while of looking back and trying to assess what I've been doing, I've realized I've been spending much more time on the account that is doing the marketing content, on the lifestyle content, on my personal vlog, than I'm spending more time on my party rental account. But when it comes to figures and numbers in terms of money and earnings, I've realized my party rental business is my leading earner, but I've been creating the least amount of content for it. And that got me thinking of how much time we spend and focus on doing the wrong things. How much time do we spend on doing things that don't bring us value? Productivity and gaining much more revenue comes from my party rental business, but I've been creating less for that. It got me thinking and also took me back to check on some other things I've been doing in life. Okay? Looking at how I've been positioning myself, how I've been prioritizing things. And then I got to learn that there are so many things we are doing that probably are not priorities or are not supposed to come to the tier list of the things you're supposed to do. They are basically supposed to be done last and we choose to do them first. This is my word of advice, or what I would wish we could do, or what I wish you should do in order to avoid wasting time. 1. Understand what makes sense to you and what doesn't make sense to you in terms of goals. For example, my goal is to make income, is to earn more. And if I look at what my goals are, my party rental business or my party rent account helps me achieve that goal. You might have a different goal, probably satisfaction, probably want to go viral, probably you have that one goal. What are you doing that is giving you that satisfaction? That's factor number 1, to stop wasting time. Number 2, always look back and evaluate the things you do. Today was my evaluation. I took time, looked at how I've been earning from the 3 things I've been doing, and I've come to realize the evaluation made it clear to me that what I've been doing most brings in the least amount of profit, plus it brings in the least amount of happiness and satisfaction. But I've been giving it much more time. I've come to understand the reason why I've been giving it a lot of time is because I had this thinking that it would be better. But there is already something that is nice and working. Why wouldn't I put my effort where it is working? Get your efforts, put them where things are working, and the rest will come in later. Priorities. Number 3, always find time to speak to yourself and have an honest discussion with yourself. My discussion with myself has been happening. Asking myself real question of like, does this really make sense? Does this really work for me? Will this really work for me? And actually, I'm also having these same questions today and now as I'm asking myself, was it worth the time? Yes, it was the time. It gave me some bit of understanding, some bit of learning. But having this honest discussion with yourself will help you understand where you put effort and what to make priority and what not. And then probably you'll save a lot of time. See you next time when I come back with the next video. Stay tuned to my channel, subscribe, follow, like, and